Alright, hey, what's up? For this video, just a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and everything I'm saying is purely opinion based and should not be taken as financial advice. There is risk in trading crypto, especially when using high leverage positions, and the volatility in the crypto market is very extreme, and you have a very high chance of losing more than you win. I am purely on here for entertainment purposes and purely giving my opinion on the best way to succeed in this market, but it should not be used as financial advice since I am not a regulated or licensed financial advisor. As always, enjoy the video. I remember that there is risk in trading any asset class such as crypto, indices, forex, or stocks. Hey, what's up? Okay, so recently, if you're in crypto and you're investing right now, you're noticing that pretty much everything is bleeding out. Yeah. And I guarantee a lot of you guys are wondering what the hell is going on. I mean, the ETF has been improved. We had bullish news. Why am I going down? Why am I bleeding? Why am I losing money currently right now? And that's a good question. But I am here to tell you exactly why that is going on. Okay, so in crypto, since October, we have been in a massive rally, as I can tell you. Where is October? Here. October, we were at 25K on Bitcoin, just about. And then at the peak, we got to almost about 49, 48K. You really don't expect us to have any correction in the market. You expect that after the ETF, we're just going to keep rising, keep pushing for new all time highs off rip like that. No, that's just not possible. I mean, look right here. Look at these key areas of liquidity. We have this here. And as you can see, price is moving towards this support level. I personally expect us to get to this support level, wick through, and then close back within the range. And once we break 44K, stable, like a body above in a hold, and we keep pushing, then I expect the real bull run to start happening. Right now, we're in a correction phase. I mean, we've been pushing up insane amounts, and it's only normal for us to go down slightly and liquidate some more longs, some leverage positions. So these big institutions like BlackRock and the big insiders can fill in their orders and capitalize off us. Okay, we are giving them our money. We are giving them our positions. We are long here. We have our stop losses here, right? Not me personally, but I know thousands of people, millions even. There's billions of dollars at these levels just waiting to be liquidated so BlackRock could put in their huge positions and capitalize off us, right? This is happening in every crypto. Even the best blockchains in the world, like the one I'm into, ICP, is going down tremendously. People are wondering why. Like, it's the fastest blockchain in the world right now. Some of the best development, tons of hype, and ETF approval. Why is it going down? Well, it's going down because Bitcoin is going down. Once Bitcoin starts rising and the money from Bitcoin flows into ETH and that money flows into the altcoins, then we'll start pumping. Okay? It's just a normal stage in the crypto cycle. And I really just want to help people so that they, don't lose all their money. Okay? I just don't want people to mess up because they're trying to take advantage of us in this manipulated and corrupted market. I mean, crypto is more corrupt than anything, in my opinion. It is just so unbelievably corrupt, right? I said here on my Twitter that once we got to 43.5K, if we didn't stable hold above it, I expect us to short again. And I honestly did. I took a small, like $500 short at this position. I don't leverage yet because I just didn't want to. I don't think leverage is worth it, especially if you're doing over 3 to 5x leverage. At that point, it's basically gambling, right? But shorting here was the move. Why? Because they don't have enough liquidity to fill in their orders yet. They don't. BlackRock wants to take advantage of you. They do. If you go on any page on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, you could see what they're buying, right? Look, breaking news. Uber is 100% going to accept Bitcoin and crypto payments in the future. That's going to help Bitcoin, right? That's good news. That's bullish news. Tether buys the Bitcoin dip reportedly for 380 million. Why could they buy it? Because they're down here in all these key liquidity areas. They're able to fill their orders here. They can't fill their orders here, here, here. They can fill their orders at this massive support level, though, right? We could go on Trading View. It's a nicer, cleaner chart, and I could just show it. Let's go on the daily time frame, right? Just look. All right. Remove drawings. See, since October, where's October? This is where we were in October. In this accumulation, and we ripped. We didn't have like any down movement. And then the ETF came out. We pushed to, let's see what this candle's high is. 48, pretty much 49K, 48,969. And now we're going here. And what's here? Relative equal lows, right? I can expect us to even go down here. That's what I'm seeing. What's the low of this candle? 40,000, just about. I expect us to go to 40,000, wick through, close back within the range, and then start pumping. There's so much liquidity here that can be taken out to fill in their orders. It just makes tons of sense to me. In my opinion, this is the time to start dollar cost averaging and building up and accumulating your bag, right? And on this X page, this is what I use for all my news. 4.5 trillion Fidelity now holds 20,000 Bitcoin worth over 800 million. These are showing you, why would these companies, Fidelity, BlackRock, all these institutions put millions and billions into Bitcoin and buy all of it if they know it's not going to go up? You think they're going to buy $800 million worth of Bitcoin and then let it sink back down to this 25K range? Hell no. I don't think Bitcoin's ever going to go back into the mid 30K range. I think the max we would ever go down to is maybe 38K, and it would be a wick down there, not a body. Like, BlackRock now holds $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. BlackRock holds $1 billion. Big breaking news 3 hours ago. Listen to this. 9 trillion asset manager from BlackRock now holds 25,067 of Bitcoin, worth over 1.1 billion for their spot Bitcoin ETF. So you're telling me BlackRock, one of the biggest financial institutions in the world, is holding billions and billions of dollars worth in Bitcoin, and you think they're going to want to see it go back to these prices down here? I just don't believe that's possible whatsoever. The Bitcoin is going to rise, but it takes patience. It does. And I think we're going to bleed out for a little bit. We also have the halving in 99 days. Like, let me add these to my watch list. Sorry. Let's see, everything's going down. Even ETH is going down. ICP, let's take a look. It's going down. One of the most developed projects ever going down right now. Fastest blockchain in the world. Let me tell you about it real quick, because that's where pretty much 80% of my bag is, right? In terms of the blockchain battle, transactions, ICP, social media, ICP, messaging, ICP, music, gaming, blogging, DeFi, BTC, Ether, ICP has all of it. Like, it's just an unbeatable blockchain right now. It's the fastest. Actual transactions per second, ICP, 5,000 plus. Second place is Solana at 3,000 plus. ICP is 2,000 plus more. Block finality, 1 to 2 seconds. Next is AVAX at 2.3. Energy consumption per transaction, number 1, ICP, 0.008. Second is Solana at 0.166. Can you not tell the difference? Cardano is 5th at 51.59. The difference between 5th and 1st is insane. On-chain storage cost, ICP, $5. Solana, second place, $48,000. Like, these stats, they just, like, when I'm investing in ICP, I'm not investing in the coin. I'm investing in the future of technology, right? Like, 1 month, it's up that amount. In 1 year, it's up 125%, right? They've been working on their project for the longest time. Sure, like, on an all-time chart, yeah, it looks horrendous. I'm not going to lie. But ever since then, they've been developing, working on their project, and now they're the fastest and most secure, fastest and most advanced technological Bitcoin blockchain in the world. And during that time period, everything went down. Every coin, Solana went from what, like 200 something to 15 something dollars, maybe even less. And now it's back in the hundreds range. That's just what happens in crypto. That doesn't mean it's a bad project. I honestly think this project is undervalued. Your coins are going to bleed, and it's going to keep happening. So right now you need a dollar cost average and accumulate your bag. Find a project you like. There's multiple. I'm interested. If you want some suggestions, and this is not financial advice at all, by the way, crypto comes with a ton of risk. Leveraging is gambling, in my opinion. And I honestly don't recommend getting into crypto if you know nothing about it. If you don't have at least a year's worth of studying and practice, or just like a year's worth of just learning, practicing, getting into crypto, you're not going to do well. You won't. You're going to lose your money. You're going to go online, listen to some dude online, and just throw everything in there. And it's just not how it works. Not financial advice. But there's projects such as Render that I love. Even though this is one of the most hyped and best projects in the world right now, it's bleeding. And as you can see, it's been doing very well since at October. October was when the rally started. September, October-ish. Its all-time high is at, okay, like 7.5, right? Consumer confidence is still high. Honestly, I want Bitcoin to get past, let's go on the 4-hour chart. I see this accumulation, right? I want Bitcoin to go past here, wick down here, even go down here. Fine with me. Wick down. Liquidate these longs. Institutions. Oh shit, I just took out billions and billions of dollars. I'm entering everything now. They're going to liquidate. As soon as Bitcoin takes out this low right here, I am putting in money into Bitcoin because I do not see it going lower. And if it does, it won't go much lower. But I'm being safe and I'm putting in money right here. We're going to wick down past this. I'm calling it now. Take out these longs. The institutions are going to bank up. And then once we break above right here, 43.5K, I'll just draw it. Once we break past this, I see us going much, much, much higher. I do. I want to see, sorry, where is it? Path tool. I want to see this. Boom. Wick down. Big rejection. Retest the level. And then skyrocket. Oh. Let me redraw. As I said previously, wick down. Big rejection. See this imbalance here? Fill this imbalance. Come down. Retest the level. Right here. Enter more. Reaccumulate. And then keep going higher. That's my predictions. I'm going to leave this chart here and just watch how it plays out because we're in this accumulation right now. Right? There it is. The accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. Power of 3 works in everything, crypto as well. So, the main reason I made this video is because if you're new and you want to enter right now, not financial advice, I recommend waiting for Bitcoin to bleed out, not using any leverage positions, doing spot only, so that you don't get liquidated crazy or get rolled due to slippage or anything like that, right? Wait for Bitcoin to come down, wick these lows, buy the dip. That's what I'm going to do. But if you don't want to, don't. It's not financial advice. This is just my opinion on what I think the market's going to do. But me personally, I'm looking to buy this dip. And then I think we'll push higher. Because the institutions, they have billions and billions of dollars worth. Billions and billions of dollars into Bitcoin. And also, this website, Crypto Panic, you can see all the important news you want to talk about. And you could just go on X and look up hashtag Bitcoin. And you'll find something interesting every single day. right? Circulating supply. Here's ETH. ETH is going down too. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing currently. So this is what I'm looking at. On ETH, I'll show what I'm looking at as well. I honestly would rather invest in ETH personally. See, in ETH, we also have this low still untapped. I'm looking for us to take out this low, wick below, even on the daily, right? I'm even content with us. No, I'm not really content with us going in back here. I could see it though. I could see us reaching into the equilibrium of this range, right? Or even potentially, yeah, I could see us going into the around here-ish on this order block, right? Fill more orders here. Now, these are the levels I'm monitoring. And I want to see this tap in, up, retest, up. That's what I'm looking for. But I'm just letting you guys know that this market is beyond corrupt. And I just want people to be safe out there because, I mean, we remember what happened with the SEC's hack, right? The account supposedly got hacked. Billions got liquidated. People definitely lost tons of money. And that's what's happening right now. It's a manipulated market. This is all manipulation. With all this news coming out and all this, we have a Bitcoin halving coming in what? 99 days. We have tons of stuff going on. We have all this news saying, here's a new one 9 hours ago. Big Chinese banks are backing hashtag Bitcoin and crypto operations in Hong Kong and will soon approve the spot Bitcoin ETF. Okay, so that's happening in China. They're selling Bitcoin, right? Trapping people who are believing that Bitcoin's going to go lower. People who are novices don't understand the importance of Bitcoin in the world. People are getting trapped selling, right? They're writing it down. I think it's a smart idea to short right now, but not long term. Short to short term, short to 40K Bitcoin. That's what I'm thinking personally. And then once that happens, I see us wicking past and going up. Here's some more news. Spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume surpasses 11 billion on their 4th day. Like, there's not much I can say. Like, BlackRock and all these companies have billions in Bitcoin. They're not going to let Bitcoin go that low. I just don't see it happening. Why would companies who invested so much into Bitcoin work so hard to approve this ETF and everything and put billions of their dollars into investing into Bitcoin to seeing higher prices? You think they're going to let the money into Bitcoin go that much? We don't control this. They control it. They're going to be the ones who pump it. Not me, not you, not anybody. The big players, the insiders, the whales, the manipulators of the market are the ones controlling this. My $2,000 is not going to do anything, right? But someone's 2 billion will. And BlackRock is the people who are doing that. They're the people with billions pumping this shit up. Right now, they're selling it. They are waiting for us to mess up, and they're going to capitalize on these people who have the stop losses down there. They're going to capitalize on that untapped liquidity. I guarantee it. Well, no, I don't guarantee it. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's just what I think. I don't think that it's. I don't even know what to say. Just please be safe out there, and as always, just don't use insane leverage, please. More often than not, you're going to lose money. I know it's addicting to put in a big leverage bag because then when it goes up a couple dollars, you make a ton of money. What happens when it goes the opposite direction? And right now, entering in a leverage position with this amount of chop and volatility is just not the move. I just don't agree with it. But you do you. I'm not a financial advisor. I just put my opinions out there, and if you don't want to believe me, you don't have to because, well, I'm not credited in anything. So, with that, have a good day. Thanks for watching this, and stay safe out there in that manipulating crypto market. All right. See you guys later.